Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Messenger. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your